Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the LEGO Creations Kit. We will look at what's included in the kit and how to use the items. The kit includes LEGO Mindstorms, which is a series of programmable robots based on the LEGO building blocks. This kit includes one computer LEGO brick that controls the robot. Now, users can control the robot with the LEGO Mindstorm iPad app to code directions for the modular sensors and the motors. We've also included materials for stop motion projects using the iPad and LEGO pieces. This kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks in order to support programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow members to become familiar with items before purchasing ones of your own. Let's take a look at what's inside the kit. So the first thing you'll find is a resource folder, and this will have instructions on the stop motion apps. This is the weight tracker folder for weighing the Lego and the Lego containers. And these are the 7 Tupperware containers for Lego Mindstorm projects, and they're all labeled as such. This is a Ziploc bag, and it contains the hub brick and the motors and sensors for Lego Mindstorm. This is the glass scale, which you will use to weigh the Lego, and these are a set of pliers. Next is the iPad, and we have an iPad charger. There's also a mount for the iPad. There is a book all about Lego stop motion. We also have some backdrops. These are Lego base plates. And then we have a big bag of random Lego to use for stop motion. And last is our container of minifigures.
The set purchased for this kit is called the LEGO Mindstorms 5-in-1 kit. This allows the users to create one of 5 robots and partake in over 50 challenges. This means that only one robot can be made at a time. I will quickly go over how to get started with the contents of the kit, but it is up to you to decide which robot you want to make. First, we need a charged iPad so we can access the LEGO Mindstorms app that is circled on screen. The app will ask you to choose the robot you are going to make. To build them, follow the instructions that will be sent by email once you're on the waitlist. You can then choose one of the activities associated with that particular robot. Users can do one of these activities or their own free play. For the robot to follow directions, connect the hub brick to the app using the Bluetooth symbols circled on screen. Now you are free to use drag and drop style coding to give directions to your LEGO Mindstorms robot. Using coding, we can make the robot do a variety of tasks. I tried to make this one wave hello.
Let's take a look at an example stop motion project. So stop motion is very easy, and we've included everything you need. We have Lego base plates and minifigures, as well as some backdrops. On the iPad, we've downloaded a few stop motion apps that can be used with the iPad mount for a nice consistent video project. Up-to-date instructions for these apps can be found in the resource folder, which is included in the kit. And this is an example of something that a patron might make. The kit can be used for coding programs, pop-up makerspaces, and more. Please note that the kit has materials for one LEGO Mindstorm robot and includes one iPad. To pack up, you will need to weigh each of the containers or bags of Lego using the scale. Please mark down the weight for each container onto the weight tracking sheet. This will help us keep track of the Lego if there are any missing pieces. To request the kit, please check out the current procedures on the Programming Kits page on the PLS website. If you have any questions or ideas for future kits, you can contact me at dlatosky@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thanks.